So then the next item on the agenda is to give the floor to Irene Groot, and she will be giving away the poster prize. Irene Groot.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Irene Groot from Leiden University, and I had the honor of being the chair of the jury of the poster prize for this year. And first, I'd like to give you a little bit of insight in the procedure. So the poster prize selection has 2 levels. So first, we have the committee, who consists of PhD students and postdocs, and they are listed here. And each of these PhD students was connected to one of the research teams that the posters had. And 1 PhD student per team, and each selected 2 posters. And the judgment was based on the following 4 criteria: the scientific content of the poster, the explanation of research and results on the poster, the layout and design, and last but not least, the oral explanation of the poster presenter. This selection of 20 posters was handed over to the jury of the poster prize, who consisted this year of Rick Bedlam, Pepijn Pinkse, and Rudy Kunne, and me as the chair. And from these 20 posters, we had the difficult task of selecting a short list of 3 posters. And we used for this the judgment given to us by the poster committee, and also we made a quick round ourselves to see the posters. So 3 posters are nominated for this year's poster prize, and these are the following posters. So the first one, in a random alphabetical order, is the poster of Shakib bin Hassan from the University of Twente. And his poster is the title "Finite Size Effects on the Local Density of States in Photonic Crystals." The next poster that has been nominated is from Diego Cohen-Maldonado from the University of Amsterdam, "Observations on Fluxes near Anti-Brains." And the third one is Hugo Doeleman from AMOF and the University of Amsterdam, "Large and Tunable Spontaneous Emission in Hybrid Cavity Antenna Systems." And from these 3 posters, we had the task of selecting the winner. And the procedure is as follows. If the winner is not here, the poster prize will not be awarded to him. So it's no show, no prize. And then we will move on to the second on the list. So, the winner of the 2016 FOM poster prize is... Oh, sorry, there's again the list. Yeah, I keep you all in tension. So the winner of the 2016 poster prize is Diego Cohen-Maldonado. Yes. So is Diego here? Ah, yes. Great. Please come forward. Oh, don't run. I'll wait for you. All right. Congratulations. So one quick word on why this poster was actually chosen. So the topic is, can we explain dark energy from string theory? So this is obviously a difficult theoretical topic, but Diego was able to explain this in an original way using cartoons. I had never seen this before, and the jury was really impressed by this. So I would like to thank the jury members and also to congratulate Diego with his prize. Congratulations.
So thank you, Irene. And that means that now we are getting toward the end of this FOM at Veldhoven conference. And I feel, of course, a little bit in a strange mood because It may be the last FOM at Veldhoven meeting, or as a matter of fact, it is the last FOM at Veldhoven meeting. But it doesn't mean that it's the last Veldhoven meeting, and I think we will continue with physics at Veldhoven, and I'm sure that you will be all present next year. You can actually note it already down in your diary, January 17 and 18 next year, 2017, we will have physics at Veldhoven. We cannot end these 2 days, or 2.5 days, without thanking the team behind the organization, the FOM program committee, Koningshof, of course, where we have all been here in the last few days. But I also like to mention a few names. Doreen Kool, Jeroen van Houwerlingen, Ans Hekkenberg, Mirjam van Ooyen, and Martine Harderwijk. I think they deserve really an applause for all their efforts. So then we are really at the end. A few remarks. If you have a badge, you can do 2 things. Either take it home with you or put it in a box somewhere near the exit. If you get near the exit, you will be given a small gadget to remind you of the physics at Veldhoven next year. And the deadline for submitting abstracts for the next year's conference is September 9th. So that leaves me to say farewell, goodbye, and see you next year.